what is it, Soda Springs, California, Lake Tahoe. Getting ready to snowboard. It is pretty windy today, pretty snowy, you know. Not a lot of people though, so that's good. So you know, we're gonna snowboarding. You know, who knows afterwards? I hit Sand Harbor, Pearl Harbor. All right. Pressure. Hey, what up, guys? So we just finished getting dressed. Put on all gear. Putting on all gear. We got our passes and heading to the lift. It's also my second time, so you know we have fun. We'll get there. We'll be what do they call it? Tony Hawk. Alright, guys, we're just you know, walk up a little hill a little bit. It's not too steep. Good for beginners. You know, just trying to get a little warm up, and then took up the hill. Haven't snowboarding like a whole year basically, so you gotta take it easy. Big Max over here got the K2 racing cart and stuff. So Oakley looking ass. All right. My board or the strap came off, so you know, couldn't really use it for today. I can just buy a replacement strap, so I'm just gonna chill, wait for my friend to do a couple more runs, and we'll probably hit somewhere afterwards. So yeah. Got some gas at the gas station, and it's across the street. Wow. Kings Beach. Beautiful. So we're in a parking lot, and there's Kings Beach in the back. There's a little beach right there. And then it's a beautiful mountain view. Snow. And let's go a little bit more down there, just a little bit, but yeah, other than that, it's a good chilling spot. You get the parking lot, it's just right here. You can just, you know, walk along the beach or just stay on here, walk around the area. Pretty cool. Ooh, shrimp burrito. This is the beginning of your food challenge. So we're gonna try out the Harvest Shrimp Baked Green Pea Snacks, Wasabi Ranch flavor. Wasabi. This is a 4.7 star burrito place. It's called Burrito Window. I got a battered shrimp burrito with no beans. Okay, interesting. I didn't know there's coleslaw in there. Oh. There's no shrimp in here, bro. Oh my god. Where's the fucking shrimp at? You guys are good. Okay, man. I was gonna get this too. But battered shrimp sounds kind of good. Bro, I swear to God, where's the shrimp at? My third bite. Haven't touched a shrimp. 4 bite, no shrimp. Alright guys, so this is the next morning. Wasn't able to get my footage when we got home yesterday. So we just went to Heavenly, walk around Heavenly Village for a little bit, and then got home, stopped by the boba shop to get some boba, some pho, and then later at night we went to get some tacos by our house, and yeah, that's end up the night. And yeah, I want to say it was a good day, and see y'all on the next adventure.